ShopWired Website Builder Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. ShopWired is a powerful website builder designed primarily for businesses looking to set up an online store with minimal hassle. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, this platform offers a comprehensive suite of features to help you create a professional and scalable e-commerce site. ShopWired offers an intuitive drag-and-drop builder, a wide variety of customizable templates, and integrated tools for inventory management, payments, and shipping. Its design is simple but highly functional, allowing users to create visually appealing sites without needing technical expertise. One of its standout features is its e-commerce focus. The platform includes built-in payment gateway integrations, real-time shipping rates, and tools for handling promotions and discounts. Additionally, ShopWired offers a comprehensive product management system, including bulk product uploads, variations, and stock tracking, making it ideal for businesses of all sizes. For those concerned with SEO, ShopWired includes customizable SEO settings, helping your store rank better in search results. Furthermore, it supports mobile optimization, ensuring your site looks great across all devices. On the strength side, ShopWired's pricing is competitive, especially when compared to other e-commerce platforms. It offers various plans that cater to different business needs, from startups to more established enterprises. Customer support is another highlight, with 24/7 assistance through live chat, email, and phone. The platform is also easy to scale, with add-ons and integrations available for marketing, accounting, and other third-party apps. However, like all platforms, ShopWired has its weaknesses. While the drag-and-drop builder is user-friendly, the range of templates and design flexibility may feel limiting for users looking for highly unique designs. There are also some limitations in terms of advanced customization, as ShopWired doesn't allow full access to HTML or CSS for deeper modifications. Moreover, while the platform's e-commerce features are robust, its blogging and content management tools aren't as feature-rich as those found in dedicated CMS systems like WordPress. In conclusion, ShopWired is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs looking to build and grow an online store without a steep learning curve. It strikes a good balance between ease of use and powerful e-commerce functionality. However, for those seeking advanced customization or content management features, other platforms might be more suitable. Overall, ShopWired provides a reliable, feature-rich solution for businesses looking to establish a strong online presence.